Okay, so sit down, close the door from the other side. Okay, so what we need to do here is accepting. Now we are to go into the what was it? GM. Automatic selection, read the VIN number. See, this is what we need to implement. The security lamp. Okay, blade key.
And this is where you're programming, you're connected into the system.
Yeah, read the mobilizer password. I'm gonna read the bus mute. Network, very bad network, but whatever. We'll try our best.
And this is all like done through the internet too?
Yeah. Okay, see it does something to the car. And it's gonna finish things there. Okay, works. Switch that, yeah, perfect. You read it. That's the number, that's the PIN code. So I'm just gonna write it down here for now. That's how I write down numbers, just on my phone number. 3589, and I call, and then it says hello. No. Anyway, so then I'm going here. Ignition off. And on, where's my thing? Switch ignition off and on. Okay. This one is the one that I want to program to. Not the life, not that easy. The blocks, not always. So, add the key. Okay, close all the doors. Switch the ignition on. Okay. That's the number. Yeah, we remember this was the number.
And right now you're programming.
So now we need to wait 12 minutes. See?
All right.
It's crazy.
Well, I'm not going to film all that.